Inside the courtroom as the family of the victim makes it clear what they think of the suspect. Last year, the body of a Council Bluffs woman was found dumped by a creek in Fremont County, Iowa.
First Alert 6 producer Roger Hamer listened to the reaction in the packed courtroom.
45-year-old Justin Sickler made his way to the defense table, ready to accept conditions of a plea deal in the death of Breanne McIntosh. Sickler pled guilty to charges of willful injury causing serious injury, abuse of a corpse, and first-degree robbery. The victim's father didn't hold back.
You dumped my daughter by a creek. I'm a man, a father, a protector, and a provider. The worst call a man can ever receive is your daughter's missing. Second worst call you can get is your daughter's been found dead. The third call I got was, you can't give your daughter a traditional funeral. She's in no condition for that. Look at me, I'm right here.
Pottawatomie County Attorney Matt Wilbur told the court the shackled Sickler had a laundry list of charges over the years.
Why was he walking in the streets? As I've looked through that criminal history, I was happy to discover that none of those prior charges were Pottawatomie County charges. That said, he has had a continual problem with the criminal justice system from the age of 18 until the present day, where he was on probation at the time of the instant offense.
Given a chance to address the court, Sickler declined, but other family and friends of the victim, Breanne McIntosh, had a lot to say.
Here you sit in front of me, Mr. Sickler, and your last name fits you because you're sick. Sick. Very sick. You're that monster that my mom used to warn us about, that hides in the dark, under our bed. You're it.
To the monster sitting in front of me, you can consider me and my family the face of God, because from this day until your last, we will be involved in every important moment in your life.
Well, the acts of this monster created those ripples in our families. He not only took her from her loved ones and ruined any chances of a future together, but they also caused damage to all of us still living.
9 testimonials in all, asking the same thing.
Lock him up and throw away the key, Judge.
The offense you committed is appalling, and your actions have earned you the maximum sentence that the court can give. Furthermore, the court knows that you have been provided plenty of rehabilitative services through either probation or prison throughout your adult life, and none of them have been able to correct your behavior.
The judge ordered Sickler to prison for the maximum sentence, 45 years altogether. In Council Bluffs, I'm Roger Hamer, First Alert 6.
Pottawatomie County Attorney Matt Wilbur tells First Alert 6 the family's testimony greatly assisted in getting the maximum sentence.